Hello guys, today I'm here with Samsung Galaxy S24 FE which I bought at 35k from Amazon. The packaging was average from Amazon and it came with white slim box. In the box, we get to see a handset, Type-C to C cable, SIM ejector pin and a quick start guide. In the box, we don't get to see the charger adapter. So I bought external Samsung fast 25 watt adapter and going to show in the end of the video. This Samsung Galaxy S24 FE comes with an OS Android 14, RAM 8GB, processor Exynos 2400E with clock speed 3.1 GHz. Memory storage comes with two variants, 128GB and 256GB. This phone comes with full AI experience. This phone got build production of Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, both front and back. In here, manufacture date given is May 2025 and I got this phone on 5 June. I bought this external Samsung fast charging adapter of 25 watts which cost me 1k from Amazon. While I don't usually gaming on smartphone, I am a console user. But what I get to see here in this smartphone, gaming is all smooth and fine, but it gets a bit heating issue while gaming. This phone is not for all users who prefer gaming on smartphone. They should not buy this. The processor is good but phone got heating issue. If you ignore the heating then it is fine. This phone is really great when it comes to viewing experience. This phone camera quality is super, while video recording on 4K 60fps is great. Has 4700 mAh battery which is greater than Galaxy S24 and a screen size too. When I tested its battery for a long day run, it gives me 7 hours screen time and a 10 hours screen off time when it dropped to 20%. So basically it can last whole day. For me, it is the best phone under 45k. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next.